What was that?
I said I was sliding like Toby.
No, slide down the other way.
Do.
Like penguins do? Oh, be careful. It's dirty there, Eva.
Because I do penguin squash.
Well, you do like the penguins?
Yeah.
Why don't you slide down the other side? Get on top of the mountain and slide down the other side.
Okay. Like
On top here. Yeah, go on top there.
right here?
Yeah, go on top here. Climb up.
Well, I can use this. Well, this is unless you do the first side.
Yeah, go climb up. Go climb to the top. No, climb to the top. We'll slide down the other side. Are you getting ready to slide down? Go way to the top of the mountain. No, go to the very top.
Like that right?
Off the top, right at the top over there, yeah. You're the king of the mountain.
Like right here?
Yeah. Slide down this way though.
This way?
Yep. No, this way here. Down this way. Behind you.
Here?
Yeah, slide down that way. Is that gonna work? No, not down that way. This way. Down this way.
This is gonna work.
No, that's too steep. You're gonna go right on the road.
No, this is gonna work.
Go down this way.
Okay. Behind me.
Whoa!
That was a close one.
That was a close one.
No, not even afraid of this.
Yeah. What a beautiful day, huh, Eva?
Yes, it is. I can find a valley this way.
Let's go back this way.
No, this is easier to slide. Daddy, you want to slide it?
No, you go ahead. You're sliding down like a penguin? Whoa! Look at you go. Be careful. Come on this mountain, Eva. Eva, let's go to the other mountain behind you. Let's go back this way. Let's go this way.
Yeah.
Go to the bigger mountain.
Huh? No, there was a year. I can't do it.
Let's go down the other one.
Yeah.
Okay, good idea. Keep going. Eva loves the snow. Go on top, go on top.
Right here?
Yep. Go more over to the other side.
Like this? Then here?
Sure.
I can't do it.
Okay. Okay. That wasn't a good idea.